So I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on the Toyota Yaris 2010. So in some cars, it varies. You know, you have to be either in odometer, trip A, or trip B to do what I'm about to show you. Mine, I think, works in trip A. So I'm going to set it to trip A. It's now set to trip A. As you can see right here, set to trip A. Okay. I'm going to turn it back off. While holding the trip button, I'm going to put it on the on position. And I'm just going to wait. And as you can see, it's flashing. You can see the dash and it reset to 0. And then that's it. And the check engine light, and the maintenance required light is gone. Again, this might work for you in trip B or the odometer setting. Alright, and that's it. Thank you.